Ever pondered over the trials that winter gardening presents? The harsh cold, the frosty soil, the lack of sunlight. It's like nature itself is conspiring against those green thumbs. But fear not, for even the coldest of winters can hold the promise of a thriving garden with the right strategies. So how can one conquer the challenges of winter gardening? Here's a list of practical tips that should serve as a guide. Firstly, adapt the garden to the season. Many believe that gardening is a fair weather hobby, but an array of plants revel in the cold. Seek out these winter warriors. Think of the beautiful hellebore or the resilient kale and spinach. Secondly, consider the power of protection. Covering plants with horticultural fleece or cloches can shield them from the worst of winter's wrath. This simple act can extend the growing season and protect the most vulnerable. Thirdly, remember to keep the soil healthy. Winter is the perfect time to add compost or organic matter to the garden. This not only improves the soil structure, but it also helps it retain warmth and moisture, providing a cozy bed for those winter-loving plants. Fourthly, consider the benefits of indoor gardening. A sunny windowsill or a heated greenhouse can become a sanctuary for plants. Herbs like rosemary and thyme, or even vegetables like peppers and tomatoes, can be grown indoors during winter. Lastly, don't forget to plan for spring. Winter is the ideal time for plotting out the garden for the upcoming seasons. Take time to prune, to order seeds, and to dream of warmer days filled with blooming flowers and lush greenery. In conclusion, winter gardening doesn't have to be a daunting task. By adapting to the season, protecting the plants, keeping the soil healthy, considering indoor gardening, and planning for spring, even the chilliest of winters can become a fruitful period for gardening. So next time winter rolls around, don't look at it as a bleak, barren time for your garden. Instead, see it as an opportunity to try new techniques, to grow different plants, and to prepare for the seasons ahead. Embrace the cold and let your garden thrive. After all, every season has its own charm, and winter is no exception. Happy gardening!